Welcome to the Healey Brothers Pod.
Well, welcome to Healey Pod. We got Bryan Gingold, our service director of our Ford and Lincoln facility in Goshen, also our largest service center. And always growing. I'm Jay Healey. I'm your host. But today we're gonna take a little turn of what's new at Healey Ford Lincoln. Obviously, in our truck center too. I can't forget about the Goliath, the truck center. Yep. What tech we're using, how the customers are getting different point of view because we're using some high-end tech. And then also I want to talk about mobile service. What's the future of servicing customers' cars? What's the future of taking care of them? And I know we go different, we go above and beyond, and we're always trying new things here, and it turns out to be really great for the customer. So first off, just do a little introductory of yourself here. What's going on here at Healey Ford? And
I'm Bryan Gingold, Service Director. So we've got a great team here. We've got a great customer base here. Some of the new attractions here at Healey Ford is our beautiful new service drive, right? I've been here 26 years. We finally got a new service drive. It is amazing. Beautiful space.
You got one at Lincoln.
Right, but the one at Ford is a juggernaut, right? So it's beautiful. Yeah. And in that service lane, it's more accommodating, right? Our guests can come in from the inclement weather. They could pull in, our valets greet them, check in their cars. They could walk right into the beautiful service area, meet with their service advisors, sit in the beautiful new chairs that we have, watch TV, make coffee, have tea, have a bottle of water, and just
free Wi-Fi.
Yeah, free Wi-Fi, and just relax while we're taking care of the vehicle to give them, that experience that they're looking for. Now that's the customer's perspective on it. Now, what does it do for the vehicle? So the vehicle, it drives through this UVI machine. UVI is a state-of-the-art. It's an MRI machine to detect issues with your vehicle. So it detects underbody condition, exterior body, leaks underneath the vehicle, missing parts. I mean, it is a total transformation from what we used to do years ago.
So let's take a step back. So obviously the new drive is something that you've been asked for. I remember when I was you had me running out there, an umbrella and a poncho in the rainstorm. So it's nice the largest volume we have, we're getting a little service drive. Also just for the customers. Employees, we like to take care of the two, and they take pride in that. They really love that. And in that internal area, it's like a WeWork. Like, I swear we have more waiters now with some of these service centers we built than we ever had in the past. Like, even Hyundai, like, people were there just doing work all day. I'm like, are you guys gonna go home? Like, but now with these new machines, we all know AI is the trigger word of the future and present, and everyone just says AI this, AI that.
Right.
These machines, they were originally for bomb detection, correct?
Correct.
They're based on the bomb detection.
Yeah.
So what are customers saying when they drive through these new crazy, and this is not the regular alignment rack and tire tread reader. These are full scale vehicle readers. So what do they actually do when the customer drives through?
So when the customer drives through, so the customer is part of the inspection process, right? So they drive through first. The first thing is like, wow, what is this arch I'm driving through? It's taking thousands of pictures, it takes video of the vehicle, takes undercarriage pictures. So the customer is part of the inspection process. So that's when the questions start. And then obviously we give them the answers. Our valet team is very proud of the machine. And then we explain to them that it's a full onboard generated inspection of your vehicle. It will inspect your tires. It inspects the DOT numbers. It inspects to make sure there's no nails, cracks in your sidewall, dents in your exterior, cracked windshields. So it's total transparency for us and for the customer to know what condition their vehicle's in before a technician even sees it. So that's the latest technology. It's been great transparency. We share it with the customers either via email or a quick text message. So while they're sitting in the waiting room working, we can send them a text message with a quick evaluation on what their vehicle looks like after it went through the MRI machine. Yep. And that starts the next conversation. Why are my tires wearing so bad? What does it mean when my DOT numbers are expired? Should I replace my tires? Wow, I didn't know I had so many dry cracks in the sidewall of the tire. Is that a safety concern? And it's also transparency for the dealership to make sure that we treat every customer's vehicle like we would treat our own. And
it protects them to no dings and dents. If
no dings and no dents.
If we did something, if they had something prior that they didn't know about, it gets protection on both sides.
Correct, it does. And it also sends little alerts, the dings and rims and dents in the roof. How many times does anybody even notice they have a dent in their roof? They don't know. This machine will detect that and alert somebody.
Yeah, we got a little sleet storm the other day that was like some pretty...
Yeah, I mean, it happens, but it's areas that we don't think of, right? Yeah. Shopping cart dings all day, right? So it does that. But the biggest benefit we get is to ensure that it's a safe and reliable vehicle, right? So we detect it underneath for leaks. We can actually, it's transparency, we bring to the customer. You have a leak underneath, the technician will take it a step further to find out what's the cause of it and what we need to do to fix it for you.
Yeah. I mean, granted, before that, we were always inspecting the vehicles, like the cars and stuff like that, but what it can find and what it brings up is actually quite impressive.
Yeah, it is impressive.
It's almost like too much. You're like, oh, wow. Like,
it's like having a second, it's like going for a second opinion, right? If you have to go to a doctor, you want to get a second opinion. The first opinion is the AI, the machine. It doesn't lie, right? It's right there. And then the technician takes it a step further for maybe items that the camera can't detect. Yeah. So we get a second set of eyes on it and a little bit more transparency that way.
So what's like the customer's perception on it?
I think
are they overwhelmed, or is it like, wow,
yeah,
this is super transparent?
Yeah, this is pretty cool technology. Let me see it. So we have this like a giant iPad in the waiting room. So when they come to the waiting room, they'll be able to see it. And you can choose your vehicle on a big iPad, and then it gives you all the details. It's either a clean report, or there's a report that tells you there's something wrong with your tires, something wrong with your rim, undercarriage, or whatever. You can watch the video of the vehicle going through, and then it becomes a conversation piece for either that visit or for a later visit.
Yeah, so anything like a doctor, like if say you go to get your blood work and there's something to keep an eye on, it's something we're just keeping an eye on.
We're gonna manage it.
Yeah, and it might be nothing, or it might be something like that's wear and tear, or something we take care of today.
It's actually pretty cool. So I think most of our guests are like taken back, like, wow, look at this. Technology has come a long way since you used to hand me a piece of paper with colors on it. So now you get a text message, it stays in the cloud.
I think when I was starting, I was writing and coloring in.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's quick and it's concise.
I remember the written MPIs, and I feel like
with carbon copy.
Yeah, I'm going on there circling stuff for dings and dents and stuff. So that's how I started.
We're saving from the carbon copy, and yeah.
So overall, good perspective. Obviously, this gets saved all into the customer file, so for future visits and everything like that. And obviously, we share all the documentation with them. Like if they want it, they get it right away. Like
correct.
You said, right to their phone. Also helps when someone's at work, they could go over it real quick, and it takes 2 seconds to really review it.
And you could share it. You know, a lot of people, they don't know, they can't make that decision right away. So we
ask your husband or wife or something like that.
Yeah, or somebody else, whoever, maybe the owner of the vehicle.
Or the kid's car. Or the kid's car. That's
hey, what happened to your car? Like, you didn't tell me that you had a cracked windshield. You know, we would have taken care of it. So those are some of the things that we take care of.
Yeah.
And it's all up front. It's all up front.
So that's what it gets. And also, say we pick up and deliver a vehicle, we're still taking every single vehicle we get through that machine.
Correct. We take them in the machine, pre and post rental and loaner delivery. We also utilize it for the sales team for appraisals on cars. You'd be surprised how many people have a vehicle they want to trade in. They didn't realize this, that, or something else was wrong with it because maybe they didn't take it to a certified technician. Yeah. So then we identify it and something that maybe they want to invest in today, or if they want to trade the vehicle and they know that maybe that vehicle needs a little bit of work.
We're even taking used cars through, or trade-ins as well. Everything goes through, so that's another
proper
perk of it. And the customer really sees like, okay, I didn't realize that was going on with my car. I didn't realize there was rust under it, and or whatever.
Free assessment.
So
free assessment.
It's pretty impressive, and it, like you said, building trust and transparency, which is the name of the game in the auto industry. So all right, so at Ford and the Healey Brothers Group in general, we always like to take it to the next level.
Yep.
And I think a lot of dealers say they do mobile service, but not quite like this facility is doing mobile service. So tell us a little bit about our program, how we're doing it, how Ford helps out, and the team you've built to really get it done.
Yeah, so Ford's initiative about 5 or 6 years ago was to initiate and drive a more seamless customer experience for customers that couldn't get to the dealership, right? We're not always convenient, right? We're not always there when the customer needs us, but so Ford put a spin on it, and we've taken it to the next level. Like, how can we make it convenient? How can we, for ourselves, unbottleneck the dealership, right? And take some of those small repairs, small services, and bring it to the customers.
Small recalls.
Small recalls.
And hard updates.
Oil changes, tire rotations, stuff like that, and take it to the customers when the customer would expect it at their convenience, whether at home, whether at work. They don't have to take time out of their day. It gets done. So, you know, we're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. And that's been the biggest challenge for us, is how do we get that message across? And over the last few years, we do 400 plus events a month. And we have another van coming on. That'll be 4 vans. So we're hoping to get to close to 1,000 events by next year to make it convenient, right? It's all about the convenience to the guest.
Yep. And then also, like, the bread and butter is like businesses with fleets.
Yeah.
So, I mean, just you guys went all the way to New Jersey to help a friend of mine, and you just did, some of them you just did MPI just to check the vehicle, a newer vehicle, just to make sure it's all up to code, because those vehicles are on the road every day. They're doing hard mileage. They're they're carrying loads.
And when they're down there, costing the business a lot of money.
I mean, that's their pride.
Yeah.
That's
so
that's how
again,
they
convenience.
survive.
So that with that driver to drive to the dealership, he could be doing something else beneficial for his business. So we take that out. We take that out of the equation. We go there. We'll look over the vehicle if it's a recall. So there's no downtime for their people. We just may need the vehicle for a little bit, and that vehicle's back up and running and earning some dollars for that company.
Yeah, I think another thing we're also doing, obviously, it's easier for us to do more people, like say at a work setting, and we do all makes and models. Like you'll service, say a Hyundai or whatever it is, you'll service that vehicle for regular maintenance, but is go to the hospital and try to do a group of people to get their stuff, because we all know like a nurse or a doctor's schedule is crazy.
Yeah,
it's crazy. And you're doing the 12-hour shifts, and then by the time you just want to go home and see your family, you don't want to take your car to the shop or something like that.
Yeah.
So I think that's another great thing. And we actually have that event coming up soon, right?
Yeah, we do. We have that event next month. And one of the benefits, a lot of people ask, my first appointment, how do I set my first appointment? Well, we'll set it with remote experience, right? With mobile service, your home, your work, whatever works for you. And that seems to have taken a lot of pressure off the guest when they take delivery of a vehicle. When am I going to schedule this? How am I going to schedule this? Everybody's schedules are crazy, right? How do you get to the dry cleaners? How do you get to the groceries? Everybody's got to find time. The last thing they want to do is figure out, how do I have to go get my oil changed, or how do I get my recall done? Well, we'll take that.
And then our Healey prepaid maintenance, you could also do all this, the special maintenance tab with the additives and everything in there on the service.
Additives, tire rotations. The Healey prepaid maintenance. One of the benefits of owning the package is that with mobile, you get mobile service, right? Mobile service is included in it. And what's great is you get the expertise of our Ford certified technicians.
Yeah, you're not getting a regular guy. You're not having me come look at your car. You're getting a certified guy.
And a lot of people don't know, but this program requires, Ford requires our technicians to take a certain amount of, they have to get certified first. Hazmat certified is a bunch of courses they need to take to get certified before they can even enter the van to drive to a customer's location. Yeah, so there's a lot of strategy that goes involved in that. Certifications just ensure that we give you that safe and reliable vehicle.
And then just a little twist. Also, we'll pick up and deliver your car. If you don't feel comfortable of a van going to your house, or I know sometimes, and I get the whole privacy thing, but we'll also come and pick it up if you don't want a maintenance done in your driveway or something like that, or done at work. We also offer the pickup and delivery. So, like you said, we're
well-rounded. Yeah, it's all about convenience, really. We know everybody's schedule's crazy. My schedule's crazy. Yours is crazy. If there are things that I can eliminate that I have to, put in my agenda, I've got to find time for this, we take that. We make it effortless. So it's pretty easy.
I mean, it's pretty simple. So
it is.
I know there are a lot of things we can do with the mobile truck and do at your home, or do at your work, or do at your business, but there are certain things we can't do. So what are some of the main things? What can we do fully, and what can't we do?
Right. So as far as recalls go, Ford categorizes them. There's mobile-friendly recalls, which we do regularly, and then there's ones that take a little bit more because you need special tools, you need a lift, etc. So the non-mobile friendlies, we always try to work with pickup and delivery, right? So we'll come get it, bring it to the dealership, perform the service, bring it back, or we'll schedule for an in-dealer visit where you can come in, drive through the UVI, sit in the waiting room, and work if you need to.
Yeah, if you work from home or something, that's easier for you to do.
As far as some of the others, so that's on the recall side. As far as repairs go, I mean, we'll do brakes.
Okay.
We don't mount and balance tires, but we have had fleet customers offer that we buy the tires up front, right? Keep them in stock. Come get the vehicle. Come to the fleet organization's location. Take the rims and tires. We bring them back to the shop. We mount and balance them and bring it back. So we're pretty flexible. But there's certain things we can, like an oil leak, we're going to do at the shop here. Yeah. There's certain things that are a little bit more. And then
mobile service is giving your health check there. They're still doing a multi-point inspection.
We're doing a mobile service health check. Yeah.
And that's done by a factory trained technician, not technology. So you are getting that.
Trained mobile technician, yeah. Oh. And we have video, right? Yeah. So we're doing video now. So now we're doing true video. So customers will also come in and get a video.
Yeah, that's super important. I think the video is another transparent thing. Like I need a visual. Like half the stuff I don't understand. Like when I get a checkup from my doctor, like I kind of need him to explain it to me. Like, I'm looking at it, I'm like, I don't understand what this is.
No, I totally get it. So the video it speaks volumes, right? The customer doesn't understand how imperative it is to replace this because they don't understand what it looks like. And when the video kind of takes that anxiety away, what do I do, right? What do I do? Do I invest in a vehicle today, or don't I invest in a vehicle today? When they see the video and we could show it to them, then they understand if there's urgency, or if it's not urgency, we could wait till later. But it's total transparency.
Yeah.
Technology is amazing right now.
Oh
it
my
really
God,
is.
It's growing at a rapid rate.
Yeah, and it allows customers to make a quick decision, right? If they need to make that quick decision and move on because they have other things to do, we allow that by giving them all the tools to be able to see what's going on.
Yeah. I mean, and also communicating. Like, we try to communicate it as high as possible, like at all times. That's like the key. Like, our team is, you have a huge team here. Oh, your team's just massive. I don't even know how many employees are in this.
We've got a lot, over 100. Yeah, we have over 100.
So
yeah, and we're there, we're there all the time. We try to make sure that we are easy to do business with, right? We don't want to be complicated. We try to make it easy.
So what's the easiest way to schedule? Say you want to do mobile service or come in, or if you think you have more of a serious issue, or pick up and load, or like, what's the easiest way to do it?
Well, easiest, I mean, you can call, right? You call our number, or you could go on Ford.com and you could just do through online. Yeah, online appointments.
Or our website has it.
Yep.
And it triggers, and you get a personal reach out right away.
Yeah, there are a variety of ways to do it. The best way, what most people like, they just like doing online, but then it gets, some people don't know. They don't know
what's wrong with the car, or how to explain it the right way.
So if you call for mobile, they'll get you right to our mobile coordinator. He has the whole layout for the week. We geofence our vans.
And very, very good knowledge on what possibly is going on with your car. Some people think when they call them, they don't get someone that's like educate someone just taking notes, but Robert for mobile is like, if you're doing mobile, he's very, very well educated.
Yeah, he's the champion of our mobile team.
So
yeah,
he knows,
he runs it. Yeah.
He knows Ford pretty in and out. So
yeah, so we're doing some amazing things. Like I said, another van's coming, so we can accommodate, because we have requests, and we want to make sure we hit all of these areas and make it convenient for the customer. We don't want to tell the customer it's going to be a few days. We want to get out there, and plus the van also locally works as a triage. Yeah. We had somebody at the school the other day, the car wouldn't start. We had somebody at Legoland, the car wouldn't start. So we triage out there. Either we jump them, we bring a battery, whatever it is, to try to accommodate them locally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's pretty amazing that we're embracing this technology. We're also embracing like convenience. That's really how you own the customer. Not own the customer, I shouldn't say, support the customer.
Right.
In the journey. Like, if you're not doing these things, they will go somewhere else.
Yeah, the customer needs to know that we've got their back, and we do. We have their back, and thanks to Healey Brothers for investing in that, right? We wouldn't be able to do these things or initiate these programs unless it was backed by you.
But this really goes to show, like, we do have the convenience of those Mavises or Valvolines. We do have the better ease of use to make it easy on you, so you don't have to go to those smaller shops on a Sunday. We'll come to you.
Shuttle service, loaner service, mobile service.
You ask and we provide.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we will. Yeah. So yeah, it's a good thing.
Brian will come pick you up personally.
I will. If I have to, I will. I've done it before.
Yeah. All right. So is there anything else we missed in that quick little about mobile, the new technology we're using to be transparent and build trust?
I think we've got it. I think, as things evolve, maybe we'll have another podcast update them on, maybe we'll get Robert in here. I know Robert's away right now, so he couldn't join the podcast, but maybe we'll get Robert in here to talk a little bit more about his team, what they provide, the events that he's scheduled to make transparency for free checkups, right? Yeah. Free checkups with the mobile van, and to talk a little bit more about the new van that's coming.
Yeah, I mean, and the better we could do is getting the word out. Like, we could support you if you have a small business too. We just need to, my friends that have their small business fleet, they were shocked we were willing to go do that and take their time. It saved them so much time and hassle, and knowing how their fleet is, their health checkup, drastically helped them know where they're not, because they know a truck's not going to go down tomorrow, and then they waste all the time and man hours and can't make money. So those little things, just we want to get the word out here. We're trying to support everyone, and also just make it easy on you. Yeah, one less thing to worry about, like you said.
Convenience.
All right, thanks, Brian.
Your time. Thanks, Jay. Appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks for tuning in to the Healey Brothers Pod. We'll see you next time.